Hello, Learning Cubs! Today we're going to look at different shapes and colors, count how many holes they have, and find matching pegs. Let's take a look. Can you guess this shape? Look closely. It's a red circle. A circle is round. It has no corners. How many holes does it have? One hole. Now let's look at the pegs. Which peg has one? That's right! The circle fits there perfectly. One hole, one peg. Here's another circle. What color is this one? It's yellow. How many holes? One. It fits in the same place. One hole, one peg. Now here's another circle. What color is this one? It's green. One hole. It fits there too. And here's the last circle. What color is this one? It's blue. And it has one hole. It goes there as well with the other circles. Now look at this shape. Can you name it? It's a blue rectangle. Let's look closely. How many holes does this have? One, two. Two holes. Now let's look at the pegs. Which pegs have two? That's right. The rectangle fits here perfectly. Two holes, two pegs. Here's another rectangle. What color is this one? It's red. How many holes? One, two. It fits in the same place. Two holes, two pegs. Now here's another rectangle. What color is this one? It's yellow. One, two. Two holes. It fits there too. And here's the last rectangle. What color is this one? It's green. One, two. Two holes. Same peg. Two holes, two pegs. Now look at this shape. Can you name it? It's a green triangle. A triangle has three sides. Now let's count the holes. One, two, three. Three holes. Now look at the pegs. Do you see three pegs? That's right. The triangle fits there perfectly. Here's another triangle. What color is this one? It's yellow. One, two, three. Three holes. It goes in the same peg. Three holes, three pegs. Now here's another triangle. What color is this one? It's red. One, two, three. Three holes. And that fits here too. And here's the last triangle. What color is this one? It's blue. One, two, three. Three holes as well. And that goes right there. Now let's look at this shape. Can you name it? It's a green square. A square has four sides. Now let's count the holes. One, two, three, four. Four holes. Which pegs does this go in? That's right. The square fits there perfectly. 4 holes, 4 pegs. Here's another square. What color is this one? It's blue. 1, 2, 3, 4. It goes in the same pegs. 4 holes, 4 pegs. Now here's another square. Can you name this color? It's red. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 holes. It fits right there as well. And here's the last square. What color is this one? Yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4. It fits here perfectly. 4 holes, 4 pegs. Now let's look at this shape. Can you name it? It's a yellow pentagon. A pentagon has 5 sides. Now let's count the holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 holes. Now let's look at the pegs. Which pegs have 5? That's right. The pentagon fits there perfectly. 5 holes, 5 pegs. Here's another pentagon. Can you guess what color this is? It's red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 holes. It goes in the same pegs. 5 holes, 5 pegs. Now here's another pentagon. What color is this one? It's blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It fits there too. And here is the last pentagon. What color is this one? It's green. Let's count how many holes it has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 holes. And it fits here perfectly. 5 holes, 5 pegs. We named the shapes, noticed the colors, counted the holes, and matched them to the pegs. Red, blue, green, and yellow. 1 hole, 1 peg. 2 holes, 2 pegs. 3 holes, 3 pegs. 4 holes, 4 pegs. 5 holes, 5 pegs. Thank you for learning with me today. See you next time. Bye-bye.